Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here, and I am unboxing my main mystery box. In full disclosure, BeScented did send this to me complimentary in exchange for me doing an unboxing and video. It looks like there's a little spatula that was included. It was on the side of the box, so my guess is she ran out of room on the inside of the box. But super excited to open this up. Okay, oh fantastic. Looks like it is half an ounce of black jojoba beads, and half an ounce goes a really long way. This is my favorite purple, and I was running low. This is the magic purple color from BeScented. Super, super pretty. Little sample size of cocoa butter. This is really cute. 2 ounces. It's the natural cocoa butter, so it's not, it will have the smell, and that's what I tend to use personally. So I love that. What is this? Ooh, this is the lavender butter blend. It's 2 ounce sample. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah, it's got a nice little aroma. I wouldn't say it's like overwhelmingly lavender, but it definitely has a fragrance to it. So I love these little jars. I just kind of keep them in my bag, and I personally, I'm not going to put this in any product. I'm just going to use it as just a moisturizer for myself. Some Midnight Purple Mica. This is a really deep purple. Hopefully you can see that. It's a great, great color. I use a lot of purple as if I need more glitter. Love the glitter. This is the Lilac Purple Glitter. So it looks like this is the purple box this month. I'm assuming by the theme. This is the Fine Mister spray bottle, and then this is the puffer bottle. This one, you can use mica in it. So if you want to do a mica line, you can use this for the mica line as well as glitter. I use these for the glitter, and these you can also use for the glitter. This one you get a little bit more control over it, but I use them both, so they both work fantastic. And then I'm always misplacing my little glitter funnel. So this makes putting the glitter in the containers super, super easy. You just kind of pour it in, and that way there's no mess, and it's super easy to clean up. Unfortunately, I'm always misplacing my glitter funnel because they're clear and they're tiny. And then these, I am in love with these little, they're 3 ounce little containers, but they are perfect. I do a lot of soaps in the sapphire and diamond molds, which are about 5 pounds. And these are perfect because it's just big enough to put the right amount of fragrance in, and they're super small, which is fantastic because it's not a lot to clean up. Love, love, love those. And then it looks like we got some fragrances in this month. Oh, little 2 ounce sample of sodium lactate. I use sodium lactate in all of my soaps, so that is nice. The lavender mint fragrance. I have not used this in a while, I'm going to be honest about that. But it smells really good. It's a combination of lavender and mint, obviously. It's not overly lavender and it's not overly mint. So this is a perfect size. I can make a 5-pound batch with this if I use like 4% fragrance. So love, love, love the lavender mint. The lilac. This, I just made like probably 20 pounds using the lilac fragrance. It behaves so fantastic. It does not accelerate. That is a great one. Lavender Cucumber. Love this fragrance. Haven't used it in a little bit. It's really fresh and clean. Again, it's not overly lavender, but you can definitely smell the cucumber in it. So that is fantastic. And then it looks like we got an 8 ounce bottle of the French Lavender and Honey. This fragrance I have used once before. I did a test batch. Super, super clean. It smells fantastic. I had done a test batch, and then I guess I just forgot to order another bottle of it. So super fantastic. Smells great. So this is the May mystery box. Lots of goodies. Everything in this box I can totally use. There's nothing in here that I won't use, so this is fantastic. I know sometimes in boxes you get stuff that can't really use that. Everything in here I can use, even the cocoa butter, the jojoba beads. They're fantastic. So anyway, so that's the May mystery box. This is kind of what I guess they call the standard mystery box. and it's $49.95, I believe is the price. And there's a gold box, which is the upgrade. That is like, I think it typically contains more of the fuller sizes of the same products, and that one is $99.95. So if you're looking to get the June mystery box, I would go ahead and order now. They do all ship at the end of the month, so if you order your mystery box now and you order other stuff, the other stuff's not going to come with the mystery box, so you want to make sure you place 2 separate orders if you're in a hurry and can't wait. But other than that, all the mystery boxes again ship at the end of the month, just so no one's spoiling the surprise for anyone else. But definitely it's a fun little box to get once a month. You get lots of stuff that you may not have, you know, I forgot about the lavender cucumber, so you may get some stuff that you never thought to try, but you absolutely fall in love. So it's definitely a fun little box to get. So have a great day, and thanks for watching.